A story from the Bible.
The Good Shepherd and the Lost Sheep. Often the Lord Jesus tells the people a story. They are also for us because they are written in the Bible. The Lord tells us these stories to teach us something. Such a story is called a parable. A parable always has a meaning. Now here is a story about a shepherd and his sheep. Just listen. It is starting to become light outside. The night has passed. The new day has begun. Look, the sheep are coming out of the fold. They're going with the shepherd. The shepherd loves his sheep very much. He knows each one of them, and the sheep know the shepherd. They recognise him by his voice. The shepherd will take good care of his sheep. He will find nice places for them, places with a lot of grass so that the sheep can eat as much as they want. And also spots where there is fresh water so the sheep can drink. The shepherd will look after them well. Sometimes a wild animal may come. It may want to take one of the little sheep away and eat it. But the shepherd will chase it away, or he will take a large stick or branch and fight it. Yes, the shepherd looks after his sheep very well. As long as they listen to him, and as long as they stay close to him, then the sheep are safe. The evening falls. The shepherd is returning home with his sheep. The sheep go back to the fold. There they will sleep till the new day comes. But what does the shepherd do first? He counts his sheep. 1, 2, 3. He counts them one by one. There should be 100 sheep. Are they all there? No, one sheep is missing. Where can it be? What will the shepherd do now? He is going to search for it. It is already dark outside, but he goes and looks for the lost sheep. Yes, he's a good shepherd. He looks in the forests, he looks in the bushes. The shepherd climbs the hills. He searches in the valleys. He looks everywhere. He has not yet found it. The sheep must have wandered far away. Where could it possibly be? Perhaps a wild animal has eaten it. Suddenly he hears something. The shepherd runs towards the sound, and yes, there is the sheep. Is the shepherd cross with the silly sheep? Does he say, "It is your own fault"? No, not at all. The shepherd takes the poor animal into his strong arms. The sheep is very tired, so the shepherd lays it on his strong shoulders. Then he carries it back to the fold. Has the sheep hurt its leg? Then the shepherd will put a bandage on it. Is it hungry or thirsty? The shepherd will feed it or give it something to drink. Yes, the shepherd is a good shepherd. The shepherd is happy because he has found his little lost sheep. Do you know what this story means? The Good Shepherd is the Lord Jesus. The sheep are his children. How well the shepherd looks after his sheep. The same way in which the Lord Jesus takes care of his children. The shepherd went seeking for the lost sheep. The same way the Lord Jesus seeks those who are lost. Those who have wandered away from the Lord through their own fault, just like that silly little sheep. Because of sin, we are lost too, just like that silly sheep. But the Good Shepherd, the Lord Jesus, has promised to seek and save that which was lost. Pray to the Lord to make you one of his sheep.